Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off keyboard sounds on your Google Pixel. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To enable or disable keyboard sounds, open the main settings app and then scroll down and choose System from the list. Now choose Keyboard and then select On-Screen Keyboard. Next tap on Gboard and now choose Preferences. On this page, look for where it says Sound on Key Press, which should be in the Key Press section, and you can use the toggle switch here to enable or disable the keyboard sound. With it on, you can adjust the volume on key press option below. You can also change this setting for the keyboard haptics or vibration just below this as well. That's how to turn on or turn off keyboard sounds on your Google Pixel. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Google Pixel. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.